This will show the starting process of changing from this kind of a joint over here to a rule joint, and I'll move over to the work area. Here's a top which is made up of the three segments. The center segment is fixed to the table, and then these outer hinged leaves, currently with a square connection. Now the hinges, I've flipped the hinges, so now the center of the hinge, let me just go X-ray here. The center of the hinge is above the bottom face here. Let me draw a line from that center right on out on the green axis, say about that location there. And now I've got the center of rotation located. Now there's that little fillet at the top, and I'll just draw a guideline. That fillet should be about 1/8 of an inch deep. So there it is, 1/8. Let me just raise this up. It says 3/32, so that is the offset for the center of rotation. And I'm going to now try to build the extension. I'll need to edit this center fixed leaf, edit component, and I want to put that little shape, cove shape, on the end of this thing. So what I will do is pick an arc tool that starts with connects to the center right there, center of rotation, and I want that on the green to create that shape on the green face. So I'm starting it up here at this intersection up here and drawing an arc, and I'll just draw a quarter circle, and then extend that down with a straight line on the blue axis to the end down here. And then draw a line there, and I've got a little face. Did I open? Yeah, I opened this center section for edit, and so now I've got a face. Now it's obviously going to have to be shaped so that it fits in with the elliptical outside, but we'll do that later. Right now what I want to do is extend that shape all the way back. I'm going to tap the Control key, Option on Mac, and extend right out beyond the back end. So now I've got that shape all the way across there, and I need to do some shaping now of that. And what I can do is tap the face of this shape and intersect intersect the faces with the model. And that should do it at both ends. So I'm going to click with model. Yes, it did put in a line there. So now I can delete here, delete here, delete here, and I should be able to do that same operation back here. And I'll just go like that. Okay, so if I just close that component and then hide the other one, then you can see that I've now got that shape extended, but I'm missing this bottom edge, so I can complete that, but I have to edit the component and close that up, and probably the same thing over here. Close that up. I don't really want to see this line here, so I'm going to soften that. Hold down the control key and soften that line. That is the center of rotation. You can see how that is. Let me just show the hinge center, and that's now the included. So the next step then is to work on the other piece, the hinged leaf, and I can unhide that. Well, after I edit the assembly, edit, unhide all. So now I can create that same opposite kind of shape, cove shape, on the leaf, and I'll do that in another video.